Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some other stuff that I don't even wanna hear.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I hope you're having a great day. We are heading into the Easter holiday season. Lent is upon us, followed by Easter. So we're going to do an Easter themed project. And this is a door hanger, or you could call it a sort of a wreath. So let's get down to the table and I'll show you what we're going to do today. For today's project, I have this cross wreath frame. I've got some burlap. I've got some pipe cleaners for when I do my bow. I've got a batch of florals over here. I may go get some more. I've got some beautiful Easter themed ribbon that we're going to use for a bow. And we're just going to have some fun and see how it works. Okay, we're going to begin by wrapping our frame with some burlap. So right now I'm trying to my frame's a little warpy, but we'll work with it. All right, so the first thing I want to do is this top section.
I wanna be somebody, yeah, yeah. Hanging with somebody, yeah, yeah. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody, yeah. Maybe if I stay, maybe if I hold on a little longer, maybe if I stay, maybe I will find what I am looking for. I wanna be somebody, yeah, yeah. Hanging with somebody, yeah, yeah. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody, yeah. Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you. Next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars and my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you. There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. 'Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live 'cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. 'Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid.
Now we've got our base on. I'm going to start with our we're going to start with our bow and then our florals. Though I think we'll put the greens on first. Let me get, because they're very long, let me get all my florals put to the side. Because I want that one to go up, I think. I gotta cut these some more. Hold on. They're too long. Those are gonna go there. And I think this one, I'm just gonna cut the bottom off of this one. And this one's gonna go here. Okay, let's get the bow. Let's make a bow, people.
They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love. Not afraid to love.
So that's 2 of each color at 18 inches. What we're going to do is put our good side down. We're going to put our finger at 7, fold the ribbon over so that it comes to 13, and then we're going to pinch our ribbon together at 12 and put it between our fingers, or put it in a paper clip, or whatever you want to do. Whatever's most comfortable for you. Again, we're going to take it at 7, we're going to fold it, and then we're going to pinch at 12. And that gives us a 6-inch loop and a tail.
Nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love.
And don't worry if it looks sort of flat and funky right now. We're going to fluff it later, and then it will look all pretty for us.
You ain't got enough of this fever, I know.
We're going to get our pipe cleaner. Figure out sort of your halfway point. You're going to slide that along the bottom of that finger into the palm of your hand. And then you're going to pinch and twist to get all of that snug together. And then you can pull out your tails, and we're going to dovetail all of our tails.
Always, you don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end.
Now we can fluff off our bows. And our tails until we have what we want.
You're getting so hollow, so cold. Cause you're thinking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you all.
Alright, now we're going to attach our bow with that pipe cleaner. And I'm going to attach it right at the bottom of the cross here. Bottom of that crossbar. I'm going to make that nice and tight. You're going to cut away your extra. Put a little glue. Hold that in place. Okay, now we flip this over and we're gonna fluff a little and arrange our tails a little so that we've got it where we want things. We want all the tails at one end. Some going up and some going down.
I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you.
Alright, now we're going to add all of our florals. So we're going to start with the greens.
Meet you at the end. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time.
Now we're going to add the florals.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess
that's done. That is really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna just do a little more fluffing, put a hanger on it, and we'll see the finished results. Okay, we have the finished result of our beautiful Easter cross with all of our beautiful florals. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Have a wonderful day, everyone.